Hey loves, and welcome back to Sometimes I Love You More. Today's video I am decluttering under my sink. I'll be using some baskets I bought from Dollar Tree as well as some things I picked up from Walmart. And stay tuned for the end when I'll be showing a few bonus tips of organization ideas I use in my kitchen. These are all the items that were underneath my sink, and here I'm opening up the dishwasher tablets that I have and sorting them into this one canister I bought from Walmart. I believe it was $3. After that, I'm going through each item and sorting them with similar items so I can put them in these tan baskets that I got from the Dollar Tree. Here you see me putting some items back into that white bin in the back. That's for upstairs cleaning products that I'm going to put in a bathroom. Here I'm putting my over-the-door basket and the waterproof liner down on the bottom of the cabinet in case of any spills. I bought this shelf that I really wanted to use to sort things, but it would not fit in there. So then I just began placing items back in under the cabinet and seeing where everything would fit. So my goal was to put things in the back that I rarely use or use less frequently. I ended up having to take the fire extinguisher out and put it in the pantry because the pipes are too large and everything wouldn't fit. But here's the finished product. I love the way it turned out. I think it's going to be a great new system for us to keep everything organized. It definitely isn't magazine worthy, but the main goal is that it's functional and works for you, not that it's picture perfect. Now let's jump into some other organization ideas. Here are my silverware drawers. I use some of the containers that I got from Dollar Tree, some shorter ones and longer ones to organize my silverware, and it works wonderful. Here's my other drawer for silverware. I bought this knife block from Walmart and it works wonderful too. I have a lot of knives for some reason, but I love the way these little baskets keep everything together. And this is my Tupperware cabinet. My main tip here is to go ahead and get rid of all your old stained Tupperware. Keep it in another cabinet like down below for your husband if he wants to put spaghetti or something in that. But go ahead and buy 2 sets of the same type. I bought the Rubbermaid with the snap-on lids that stack together on Black Friday. I believe they were only $8, as well as buying the same type of other bowls such as my Anchor bowls and Pyrex bowls. That way everything stacks together, it all goes together seamlessly. But I hope this gives you some motivation for your kitchen and some ideas that are affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it down below as well as subscribe. Until next time, bye y'all.